Hello everyone, my name is Adam Russell with Bell Powersports, and I'm here at Honda House in Richmond, Virginia tonight to talk to you a little bit about the new Bell Eliminator. If you're looking for a helmet that has old school inspirational look, but new school features, the Eliminator just might be down your alley. First off, it's a tri-matrix composite shell, so fiberglass, super lightweight. What we're gonna run is 3 shell sizes. Extra small, small, and medium all have their own unique shell. We have a new size called medium/large. That comes in the middle shell. Large and extra large are going to come into the middle shell. Double extra large and triple extra large are in the highest end shell. So what that means, and I definitely suggest that you come into Honda House to try this helmet on. If you're on the cusp of a medium, if you're on the low side of a medium, you can actually drop down to that lower profile shell, so it won't look too big on top of your shoulders. The medium/large is for the customer that's traditional medium size. This is going to be in the middle size range. The extra large, again, you're going to drop down a shell. So you're going to be in a middle shell for a size extra large. So that customer that's right on the cusp doesn't have to have a large shell on top of their head. The face shield system is advanced in this as well. It looks very basic. However, if you open it up, it does lock down. You can actually change that if you wanted to lock it down a little bit tighter. Little Allen key, you can move this. The circle's on a camber to make it lock down tighter or lock down with ease. You also have a shield tensioner system. Again, a small 4mm Allen key is going to tighten that or loosen it. The shield itself we call ProVision, and this is actually a dual pane shield. So if you're worried about fogging, it's not going to happen with the Eliminator. This is a dual pane shield right from the ground up. Onto the interior. We actually use our X-Static XT2 interior. So this actually is infused with 99.9% pure silver thread, and that's going to provide antibacterial properties for the lifetime of this helmet. On the interior, underneath of the cheek pads, you're going to get speaker pockets. So if you look close there, if you wanted to install a comm system on this helmet, you're free to do that. DOT and ECE approved. Ventilation-wise, you'd have 2 large intake vents on the chin bar, on the side as well, and mega vents up across the top. If you're worried about rain, we actually have a cover to actually install right over top of that, and that completely changes the look of this helmet. We're coming in at a price point of $419.95. Again, DOT, ECE approved, and a 5-year warranty. It's here in stock at Honda House in Richmond, Virginia. Come check it out.